Hello. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to quickly integrate your Bitrix24 with the official WhatsApp Business API using the ChatArchitect app. After a few steps, you will be able to send the first message. To start, open the section Market. In the search bar, type WhatsApp Business API. Select the ChatArchitect.com WhatsApp for Bitrix24 app. Then press the Install button. Opt in the Terms of Use Agreement option. Opt in the License Agreement and Privacy Policy options. Then click on Install. Once the installation is done, click on Open the app. Press the Go to Contact Center button. Afterwards, click on Connect. Fill in the app ID key. Fill in the app secret key. Save the keys. Close the window. Click on the notification that appears at the top right. Close the notifications window. Go to the contact center. Select the unanswered message to open it. Press the reply button to send a reply. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to use our integration with WhatsApp Business API. If you have any questions, we recommend that you visit our website or contact our support team.